What is up, guys, again, and welcome back. I just got home from work. Excuse the work clothes and the mess in the shop because I've been so busy I hadn't had time to clean it. But when I got home, I had a package sitting on my doorstep, again from SupercrossBMX. So let's open it up and see what we got. Just opened the box. Speedline Hollow Pro Cranks, 175 millimeter. These things are awesome. Can you hear me? How about now? Can you see me? These are forged aluminum crank arms with a 24 millimeter spindle. In the box, they come with the 24 millimeter bottom bracket. So basically, you're ready to go. We got them unboxed and laid out. Next thing is to take off the old cranks, put these ones on the new bike, and go for a test ride. Let's go. Cranks are off, the new cranks are on. I'm gonna go get my race gear and we're gonna go test these bad boys out. I've rolled around a couple times and honestly they feel better already. They feel a lot stiffer. The cranks I had DXR cranks. They're probably three years old. I didn't think it would be much of a difference, but these things feel stiff. They're nice, I like them. So I was planning on doing a bunch of riding and doing some triple lines, maybe hit a few gates, but unfortunately there was a water main break downtown in Rock Hill and they're planning on closing all city facilities around 5 o'clock. It's about 4:35 right now, so I'm gonna try and get a few clips in, put these things to the test. All right, unfortunately that's it for this session. Like I said, they're shutting down the track at 5 o'clock. It's like 5:03 right now. But between trying to find someone to record and jump some different lines, that's all I got. Hope you guys enjoyed this little short video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.